Hi everybody, this is Matt, and I want to show you a few things today about the Ruger MKIII trigger system. And one of the reasons is because I might as well show it to you now before I change this guy out to a Volquartsen. First of all, I want to measure the trigger pull and document that. So this weapon has been safety checked. I'm going to come in here with my digital gauge and we'll give her a pull. That came in at 4 pounds, 3.1 ounces. I will perform the test one more time just to make sure that we have a consistent reading. Four pounds, 2 ounces. The other thing that I want to show you is I want to demonstrate how much pre-travel we have before we get to the sear break, and how I'm going to measure that is with these digital calipers. I'm going to come in here, come right up against the trigger, and then I will zero this back out. So if you've never used digital calipers before, here you go, really quick lesson. So I'm coming in here, I'm going to put this on 0, and now we're going to move the trigger back until we're up against the sear. Let's see if you can see that. 0.945. So that's how much pre-travel there is up until we get against the sear. Using my same reasoning here, if I come up to 945, where I was at, up against the sear, once I get there, I'll hit 0. And then I come back all the way. I've got right at 0.1000 inches of travel. So that would be the over travel after the sear breaks. Those will be one of the things that we adjust out of this trigger, because you can induce errors in when you're shooting, and it can create problems. But anyway, that is a quick overview of both the pre-travel that we had and then the over travel after getting by the sear. The other thing that I would like to educate you about when it comes to the Ruger MKIII trigger is the arc that it travels in. If you have noticed, I've set up a metal rule, and that indicates exactly where the base of the trigger is. If I come in to do a normal trigger press, I want you to watch where my finger is in relationship to that ruler. As I come back, what happens? You see a gap. And you see the gap widen. And that's because the trigger is moving upward in an arc, and that can induce some errors. And the errors can be almost like a healing up, where your shots are going higher because you're forcing the gun upwards as you come back to the end of this trigger press. Hopefully this helps, and until next time, have a great day.